NCERT class 8, exercise 2.4. So let's see today question number 7. Okay, what's question number 7 saying here? Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Okay, हसन स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म के लिए दो तरह के कपड़े खरीदते हैं, वन फॉर शर्ट अनदर फॉर ट्राउजर. गेटिंग? शर्ट की कॉस्ट है पर मीटर 50 रुपीज. 1 मीटर शर्ट की कॉस्ट 50 रुपीज है और 1 मीटर ट्राउजर की कॉस्ट कितनी है? ₹90. ठीक है. बट हियर टेलिंग it is that every 3 meter of the shirt material he buys 2 meter. हर 3 मीटर शर्ट के लिए वो 2 मीटर ट्राउजर खरीदता है. 3 मीटर शर्ट पे 2 मीटर ट्राउजर परचेज करता है. ठीक है ना. बट ही सेल्स द मटेरियल एट 12% पर एनम. शर्ट को वो 12% पर एनम प्रॉफिट पे बेचता है. शर्ट को जब वो बेचता है, शर्ट के मटेरियल्स को जब वो बेचता है तो 12% उसे प्रॉफिट मिलती है. सिमिलरली जब वो ट्राउजर के मटेरियल को जब वो बेचते हैं तो उन्हें 10% की प्रॉफिट मिलती है. कितने परसेंट? 10%. His total sale is ₹36,600. टोटल मीन्स शर्ट मटेरियल और ट्राउजर मटेरियल को बेचने पर उन्हें मिलती है ₹36,600. ओके. देन हियर टेलिंग हाउ मच ट्राउजर मटेरियल डिड ही बाय. तो उन्होंने ट्राउजर के लिए कितने मटेरियल परचेज किए. ओके. तो जस्ट लुक हियर. लेट दी शर्ट मटेरियल be 3x and trouser material means cloth here, be 2x. This is 3x and this is 2x. Shirt is 3x and this is 2x. Trouser material is 2x. Then the cost of shirt material, the cost of 1 meter shirt material is equal to rupees, that was 50 now. 1 meter shirt की रेट 50 थी and trouser की 90, you know. So the cost of 1 meter shirt material is equal to ₹50 into 3. Okay, so 5 3s are 50 means 150x. 150. This is the cost of 1 meter shirt material. Okay. Therefore, then the cost of 1 meter trouser material. 1 meter trouser material की cost कितनी होगी? That is ₹90, you know, per meter. So ₹90 into 2x. Okay. So 9 2s are 80 means 180x. This is 180x rupees. Then now you have to find selling price rating. शर्ट को सेल करने पे उन्हें 12% की प्रॉफिट होती है. ओके. तो एसपी ऑन सेलिंग 1 मीटर शर्ट मटेरियल. 1 मीटर शर्ट मटेरियल को सेल करने पर कितने पैसे मिलते हैं? मीन्स 1 मीटर शर्ट मटेरियल की एसपी कितनी है? ओके. देन दैट इज, यू नो, CP plus what? CP plus profit. CP plus profit. How will you get profit? How will you find out profit? Okay, just look here. What is CP here? CP of shirt is 150x is equal to 150x plus what was SP? What was profit percent on shirt? 12% of SP. CP. Then 150 CP here. CP is 150x. Plus 12% means 12 out of 100 into CP here is 150. 150x. Okay. So this and this 0 will go. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Then 2 6 are 12. It means 150x plus 6 3s are 18. 18x is equal to 818, 808, 516. 168 rupees. 168x. This is the SP of 1 meter shirt. Okay. Then SP of 1 meter trouser material. उसी तरह से 1 मीटर ट्राउजर मटेरियल की हम SP निकालेंगे. ट्राउजर मटेरियल is equal to CP plus profit, that is CP is 150x, sorry 180x, 180x plus profit 10% of, directly I am doing 10% of CP, then that is 180x. 180x plus 10 by 100 into 180x. This is 0 0 will go with 0, this 1 0 will go with this 0. Okay, so 180x plus 18x is equal to 808,819, okay, and 198x. Getting now? This is CP of 1 meter trouser. Now let's see. So I will have to rub it. Now here it is telling this. We have found now CP and SP is clear. Now here it is telling CP of total. What is this? Then here telling his total sale was 36,600. Total sale was 36,600. So what is CP of 1 meter shirt? That is SP of shirt material plus SP of 1 meter trouser material is equal to 36,600. So just look here. SQ, what is SP of 1 meter shirt? 168x. 168x plus 198x is equal to 36,600 rupees. Total सेल करने पे इतने पैसे मिलते हैं, ठीक है ना? So now add it. 8 8 66 balance 1, 9 6 51 77 31 1 2 1 3 376 is equal to 36,600. Okay, और x is equal to 36,000. Sorry, 8 8 66 balance 1, 9 6 15 51 9 6 15 51 16. 16, this is 16. Okay, then 36,600. So x is equal to, so x is equal to 36,600 divided by 366. 366 बन जाओ, 366 and this 20, 100. Means what was x is equal to 100? We have put x is equal to 100. Therefore here it's asking, then what is the, here it's asking what is the question here? What is the material for? How much trouser material did he buy? How much trouser material did he buy? Then we have taken here trouser material to be 2x. Just we have read here कि 3 meter shirt पे हमने 2 meter trouser दिया. So we have taken that 2x. Okay. So material for shirt, trouser material. Therefore trouser material is equal to 2x. That is 2 into 100 is equal to 200 meter. Means he sold today. Means the total trouser material he bought was 200 meter. Okay, is it clear?